Most of the institutions who are also offering some of these professional programs we are offering here at Chillen Media Institute always claim that their training is more hands-on or more of practicals. Meanwhile, if you visit their campuses, you will realize that they are not well equipped with the required facilities or equipment to render a proper hands-on training. That is why most of these institutions still rely heavily on us at Chillen Media Group for their students to gain practical knowledge through partnerships and internships, simply because we are well equipped with advanced studios running cutting-edge technologies in all the fields we are involved in. At Chillen Media Institute, most of our lecturers are industry professionals who are actively working in the industry, and the training, it's more of a hands-on approach. In other institutions, you often see lecturers who have little or no practical knowledge in this field who are teaching. How will you even expect a lecturer who has never built any application that anyone is using to be teaching you how to become the next Mark Zuckerberg, or to work in big tech companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon? The list goes on and on. Most of these institutions are scamming you. That is why after your graduation, it is often very difficult to secure any good job in the industry. Full stack web, software and application development, digital filmmaking, video production, recording arts and audio production, digital marketing, etc. are much more practical than you can ever imagine. Another problem is that most of our universities or institutions who are also offering some of these professional programs take a very long time to update their syllabus, hence teaching students old and very outdated concepts. After graduation, such students find it very difficult to secure a job or be relevant in the industry. For example, most of the technologies and concepts used in journalism and mass communication 10 years ago are totally different or irrelevant today, due to the fact that digital technology is fast evolving and bringing more convenience in the way we do things in the world today. Just 10 years ago, videotapes were very useful in recording and storing video and images for post-production and more. But today, it is totally useless because the evolution of digital technology has given rise to better options which are much more cost-effective, flexible, and more convenient to use. In this era and further, if your business is not upgrading as technology is evolving and changing the world, there will come a time you will be leaving a lot of money on the table. As a student, being able to master effective skills in IT and other digital technologies is securing a better future for you and your family. And the right place to start your career in IT or digital technology is here at Chillen Media Institute, where we match practicals with theory. My first advice to parents and students is that before you get into any professional institution, make sure the school is well equipped with the right equipment and lecturers that are industry professionals who are actively practicing in these fields. Do not only rely on your adverts because it's often exaggerated in order to attract you. Also research on how some of their graduates are fitting into the job market. My second advice to parents and students is that professional education is the best form of education in this country today, because unlike the other system of education, professional education is designed to teach students how to solve real problems in our society. If you are equipped with the practical skills to solve real problems in any society, you will never lack a job. Plus, you can easily become an entrepreneur and create jobs for yourself and others. Most employers today will only employ someone who can add real value to their businesses, and not someone with certificates in this or that. The certificates do not really matter in most sectors today if they are not backed by real skills. Students, stop chasing certificates, for they are getting less important in most job sectors today. Instead, chase knowledge that will equip you with skills that can be useful to your society and the world today. Digital technology is fast changing the world and our lives, leading to massive opportunities in the field of full stack web, software and mobile application development, digital film, video production, recording art and audio production, digital marketing, just to name a few. Parents, why do you keep pushing your children to study political science, accounting, banking, etc., where there is already too much saturation and most of these sectors are already being automated with digital technology today? There has never been a greater time with a greater need to learn professional skills in digital filmmaking, video production, recording art and audio production, graphic design, digital marketing, and more. But where do you begin, or how do you get started? These are both good questions to ask. Chillen Media Institute has developed professional programs that will get you the skills you need to become a world standard professional in all the above mentioned programs, even if you have no previous experience. And while other schools are charging tens of thousands of dollars for similar programs, ours is a fraction of their cost, and you can train with us and pay nothing until you get hired. So what are you still waiting for? Register today to secure your spot and start your journey to become a world standard professional in full stack web, software and mobile application development, digital filmmaking, video production, recording art and audio production, graphic design, digital marketing, and more. Chillen Media Institute, where practicals and theory meets career.